Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How-To Videos. For today, we're going to go over how you can make your very own comic book picture. Now, when it comes to making a comic book style picture, I recommend that you get several different issues of comic books related to the character that you chose to base the picture off of. This will give you a lot of material to go through and find the best clippings that you like to outline that character and use as a background.
When going through your comic books, I'd recommend to put aside enough full pages that be able to cover the entire backdrop of your picture. Then, go through and tear out the selected scenes that you would like to use as filler. This would guarantee that you would not forget any empty space and that everything would be covered by a comic book strip. Next, I'd recommend finding a nice picture frame. This one I was able to pick up from a thrift store for about $10. What I liked about this picture frame, besides its color, was that it was really big and it already came with a matted border, which I'll be using that matted border to help frame my comic book picture and cover up any overhanging comic book strips. Since the border was attached to the backing, I had to forcefully separate the two. With the border removed, I can go about figuring out where I would like to place my comic book strips. What's nice is I can use the previous photo as a template to know how much area I need to cover. Once you've decided where you'd like to place your comic book pages, it's time to glue them in place. With them glued in place, let's go and fill in all the empty gaps with those torn out individual comic book strips that you collected earlier. With the comic book strips arranged to your liking, it's time to glue them down. Originally, I had it in mind to paint Batman over these comic book strips, but without me knowing, my wife ordered this big Batman decal sticker thinking it would help me out. So I figured since I already paid for it, I might as well use it. Now that the picture is finished, let's reassemble the frame.
Well, there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own comic book picture. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below. That and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, please leave it in the comments below. But until next time, God bless and good luck.